If you're thinking about buying Mitolyn, stop everything and watch this video until the end, because there are some truths that no one is telling you, and they can make all the difference in your decision. I did a full review of this supplement, and I'm going to reveal a scam that could make you lose money, as well as show you the real effects, the price, and of course whether it really worked. Believe me, this video can save you from a big headache and prevent you from falling into a dangerous trap. Let's get straight to the point. There is a scam circulating on the internet that is deceiving many unsuspecting people. Since Mitolyn is gaining popularity, scammers have copied the official website and created fake pages that look identical. They offer irresistible discounts and fake coupons to attract buyers. But when you enter your details, you give banking information to criminals who can make unauthorized charges or steal your money. To avoid this problem, I have placed the official link in the description and in the first pinned comment. Buy only through this link and avoid becoming a victim of this scam. Now, talking about the effects of Mitolyn, it really helps with weight loss by speeding up metabolism and reducing appetite. You won't have to give up your favorite foods, and you can still see significant results with consistent use. Additionally, it is FDA and GMP certified, ensuring safety and quality. Another positive point is the 100% money-back guarantee, making your purchase risk-free. But there aren't only positive points. Mitolyn frequently goes out of stock due to high demand, and fake websites are a problem. However, knowing this, you can protect yourself by buying directly from the official website. Now it's up to you to decide if it's worth trying. In my opinion, Mitolyn is an excellent choice for those who want to lose weight safely. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more content.